Dear students, now that the concept of fraction has been introduced to you and you know the terms of fractions like the numerator and denominator, let us solve exercise 8.1. Question 1. Write the fraction represented by the shaded parts in each of the following figures. Here the first figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. So 8 will be the denominator, out of which 3 parts have been shaded. So 3 will be the numerator. In the second figure, that is figure B, this figure has 4, 3, 4, 8, 12. That is 12 equal parts, out of which 4 parts have been shaded. So number of equal parts will be the denominator 12 and number of shaded parts 4 will be the numerator. In the third figure, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts, out of which all the 7 parts are shaded. So this fraction will be 7 by 7. Okay. Similarly, for D, it will be 2 by 7. For E, it will be 7 by 8. For F, it will be 3 by 6. Moving on to question 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay. 2 by 5, here 5 is the denominator, 2 is the numerator. In the B1, 3 by 7, 7 is the denominator, 3 is the numerator. 8 by 9, 8 is the numerator, 9 is the denominator. In the third question, you have to write down the fractions whose numerator and denominators are given below in the bracket. The first one stands for numerator, the second one stands for the denominator. First is 2 by 5. Here 2 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So 2 is written above the fraction bar, 5 is written below it. Third one is 3, 11. It will be 3 by 11. 4 by 16, 4 by 16. 4 is the numerator, 16 is the denominator. 7 and 12. 7 is the numerator, 12 is the denominator. Children, I hope you will be able to solve these simple questions from exercise 8.1 on your own. Thank you. Students, today we are going to do exercise 8.2, question 4 onwards. Question 4. Find A part is 1 by 2 of 18. Here what we are going to do is 1 by 2 of 18 here. Of stands for multiplication. So we will write it as 1 by 2 multiplied by 18. So we do the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 18 is 18 by 2. Children, 18 by 2 means 18 divided by 2, because this middle line is the division bar as you call it. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Therefore 1 by 2 of 18 is 9. 1 by 2 is half. So half of 18 is 9. You can simply solve it as 9 plus 9 equals to 18. That is 2 9s make an 18. So half of 18 will be 9. B part. 1 by 5 of 15. So of stands for multiplication. So we write it as 1 by 5 multiplied by 15. So 1 multiplied by 15 is 15. 15 by 5. As this middle line is the division bar. So 15 by 5 equals to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. So 1 by 5 of 15 equals to 3. The D part. 1 by 4 of rupees 28. That is 1 by 4 multiplied by rupees 28. That is rupees 28 upon 4, or rupees 28 by 4. So we write it as rupees 28 divided by 4. The answer is rupees 27. Therefore, 1 by 4 of rupees 28 equals to 7 rupees. F part. 1 by 3 of 33 liters. Children, here L stands for liter. 1 by 3 or 1/3 of 33 liter equals to 1 by 3 multiplied by 33 liters. That is 33 liters upon 3, or 33 liters by 3. Which is equal to 33 liter divided by 3 equals to 11 liters. Therefore, 1 by 3 of 33 liters equals to 11 liters. Children, I'm sure you will be able to solve C and E as homework.